Asampa 94.7 yeguso fire for fire. Yeguso fire. Yeguso tujano. Yeguso hwese enema bibia ebetuto ye. Now ya come dia made na ye raise issues ye fo say ye raise na talk Ghana for nyina so na ehu say enema bi wo hodoma sempe for etimi hwe na mototo ne ye. Man wa sede so obehwe no be ma agro na ye nyina ye ni di akire na timi tumpon enti obi ndidi obi etem obi nkasa ntie obi eye no kra ne pese ye ka kire ye ho wo ti ase sisi amene wo kasa yi no ya bo match day 12 na wi enra I was very sad enra me say I was very very sad because of me Accra Sports Stadium na me share match day 12 match aye bo na me bom kompon ko hemachi na me share the way I supporters as support to club no me share supporter has fans no e dia ma team no since I share league na sia na me share said na stadium on mo aye din na arewo ahyem mekra ene makoma muma me say enti the way I supporters yi ayo makoma mu e support to club yi nanso ohwe eniyema makoma yiru bi anko yi ande ye to stadium no mu ama team no abobo no behind closed doors no bisa say I was say ye catch them say never again na ye di kan catch them na me sure say they will omankasa be kasa and say never again hwe Ghana for say ye kan sem na ya na nipa bi free say e bia na obi tan obi atemdidie obi personal interest bi enro me do Accra Sports Stadium supporters no na would radios na would di atem and na would supporters na would di atem enro me that supporters no pay for ni biase because you see when people decide to attack you wow but me there be me catch them for say the reason why I'm mean so ni say adwuma ne ye na adwuma bia wo ye bia no ye wo hazard ewom what you say eno na broni fe na occupational hazard what you say adwuma na wo ye no enne ye say Egypt Air akoto nsuo bi mu Egypt Air pilot no he knows BBC a obewu eti a occupational hazard so me I don't fear Egypt Air Malaysia airline ekoto epunu ye hu biom eti no ye mimi sro what you say e bibia sometimes na you can say keeping our leaders on their toes and you think it's easier to keep your leader on his toes who watches the watchman eti when I go to the stadium and supporters and I would di atem and I look I get them did Ghana for that ben na marginal radio we so kase house for supporters ayen kwasa for me marginal radio we so kase house supporters en kwasa for but se me kase de wo ye ne kwasa sema eno de boni bi ani ho but me kase wo ye kwasa. That is the reason why I sometimes I am at because ne but me catch say daddy don't be a fool. So daddy don't be a fool. And yet me was say don't be silly. Na se mu ko back na mu ko tutu nsuo. Na me betra radio so admonishing you that the mo ye ne nye. And that's the reason why we do stadium na I am ya. And supporters ni be me say has supporters I am kwasiafo me minimagro no de enema wo ma sie ye enti se BBC na se ka me se mo ma yenwe ya so na what even pains me say so obi tie wo se wo ka sam wo radio no so a na ofro bia ka na one friend and report because I need a reporter speech No ko kese tie mo shosho. O jina radio no so na odi has watem. Mema di has watem wa. Ghana fo mpene kre. O kana kre na ya jiwa no asibone. But me say me catch say opia say we will continue and we will continue. Ni ebetwa so. Not today, not tomorrow are we going to stop. So far as the news said no cre no dear. Enti how supporters mini obi atem menka obi ekwasia me say ensuo toto na ekọ park no so that day no ema ya ban ha se nra me tumi do stadium na me re aho no eye bone. It was wrong yesterday, it will be wrong today, and it will be wrong tomorrow. Period. And I won't justify. I won't. Nobody. And you know, you can sit at the comfort of your home, your office, in your car. Now, one can the office all can be a. But me say, the end, and yet, period. Because I will never mince words. Na me change my position so that more fire. Look, as some year can ya, and no policeman ko tu tuo Tamale. Ama na me no ka say Tamale Utrecht coach ya tutuo about the nine. Ama coach no at the hospital and nano pay. And ra Okwa United, mamu ko nkoko no some would see here. Na me sheda na man raise no. Go and ask Obi Okwa United game no and say whether say fourth referee no I'm be taking the position of the assistant referee one. And you mo some na dia ka Ghana for being pese nipa be kasa no. Okwa United just 1 week after the omo koye wo kwa praso no e say repeating who biom enra or game a omo boy e on kokko. Ema fourth referee no at a point in time na say oko eko di match no because the assistant referee one was assaulted and attacked. Ama wontimi anto game no so. Na se me banan be gina ka se sebe e yenkwasasem a ade na wo ye ne yenkwasasem na me se de wo ye na yenkwasasem because say just a week ago okwu akoya de ama Brian Champon akwa wo ye team ayo panyini ne se ball no kwa wo jaye ama ekakakra bi nka FA Cup match kwa mkokwanka no wo so onye na se wo san repeat biomu ma fourth official na so obedi obegina assistant referee 2 no because ya assault to referee na and you think say me begina ha na mabom me say mo kwa United nonsense me say you see say enjoy sa animalistic behavior na animals you behave like we that suban to say we suban na we that didn't say we be asabe we aboa we behave to say the emra ni won shemra bia ase. Ghana, we are not in a state of anarchy where law doesn't emra nya adwuma etimi sremo me ni obi atem so we ya de na nya ne ya ka kire wa tieni we ya badwen ba tieni. Now, you see, and mbabu ya debia. And the debia mbabu yen. Because ye daka. Na den Christian Amampo no mamunko Iraq ni ade, omunko war front. Omunko Syria. Omunko Afghanistan. Ahuna na mahuna ye kroma sa. Wo ya de na se nyane ye ka na wo de takashi na huna. Yes, mumu ye ni abre. Na wana kato se sa huna na ba me jasa de e ka no. Police no ko to tuo and me interview coach was na police nabo. Was it the policeman was fully drunk? And when I say this, and I say the policeman who could protect life and property, now you are fully drunk. Now you project you now, no what to do no now po. Say nyanko pon bibi and a bona no who ya Ah, anopa me omo frame from Tamale. And omo say yabo coach ni to number say omo pese me ne coach ni kasa na me say na so bi abo ntwe de wawu. No me say I'm born in 9. You see, Ghana for. You see, and throw any no cry ye ni okromo anti. Oman no every day biya no na konechi. Look, you don't know what lies can do. That is the reason why Donald Trump campaign all you know. On intro was it me ba mema Arab for na kom krom or the obaye no waka opa atoma na opa men to no. Enti no wo kind of crack krom ayen kind of crack. And I didn't trust her no man no essay. Nonsense. I am very sad for Ghana. I am very sad for this country. Now, you can never defy the Bible. You can never defy what the Bible says. Or say the truth will set you free. The truth will set you free. Mamu kwabuchi kope American visa, British visa, a German visa. Abrofono, womu nintro te de muti krumana and tron kwana modia asewo man no. Enti bisa Ghana for na womu tiama no no mun kan experience. Ghana ni kwama no ne because amo set up ni yeto okoshema na wa behave yo broniba kruma na corrupting no. Enti company say o kruma akese a eye abrofo companies na ye kofa bibini ebe ye leader na obroni ni good intention or wode ma before workers nya no na Ghana ni bibini no no nkasa no wa corrupt broni no na workers no bre because you don't say the truth. Fire, burn you all. More fire. O kind of cry, yes, you have a bull. Now support I say you have a bull because what kind of cry? Munkuye fire, burn you all. More fire. And then ubia me fire. So by burning na yari ya say won kruma na omani say no. Piamra na ome fire. Oba na obe kasa na me hwe na mfa kwan ma me discussion mfa kwan ma I will cut you. Me na me determine whether I say the own nam who can nam kwan ma me hwe na se be say society na me cut you. Enti 03022117001 03022117002 03022117003 waiting the 4 account now o de wadwen kire aba anopai na wie ye bo ne tew amre ne ko me mpese ye be say course no bebre because on say ye bieja no eja no ye bieja no bieja oja no sa me just say e hyewa eja no hyewa obeba na obeba phobia nyamija
fantastic Dr. Kojo Mensa Mujoshwe Kojo bi dia bako de
more fire
Kojo asade wa ma badu tio na do mama hene African region so de beko Kojo nyame Kenya ni say omo ka say anane o stadium me nya blaphobia de yanka say ko e say kwa hwe hockey but your boy come ma yankum de ba kan tell you say omo me yes on babo no munum nyamo ye Kojo say do be kana dia no just babu Kojo Mensa Mujoshwe me as for them ko say anu yanka say me David so ka say ko be pa o but omo ye shameless what you say so be kana din edma na o ye because when you not on Tinasia, on so the more no. And it's all kind of cause yen phobia
and I'm saying that my new obiatem and to be pesa ubeka minkasa obianka so babu me wo mse my new obiatem me new obiatem
okay Kojo mate ana me kaza Kojo am ka so wadi o matem de na di ye fine ya babu ka se kwa sama ne se no yen na what ya kwase because ya yen na wo to go yen na enka obat e ba yen na wo di say so said yen na yen na go show di entino atem di o mo so di o mo de Kojo mi watem de wadi e fine what wa gen obi so ntu ase anu nche so bi ka se o di atem Kojo nu konkoda Kojo yen hwe say e fe ni se wo ka me di amasem na me ma say media ma aban no ayi ni na mte banda boy omo akasa kasa I hope to be bom na me so me no fa enyema ni nyan kwaji efefo no so kwajo omo say media ma nya sika mto pay kwaji efefo ni bio omo kwesi ko menya na bi kwaji efefo no e na president eti na fam fo ya bo media ma fo omo nyai na sika dia ba sa
okay yeah me da say Mr. Dove ena munye ni tetiem what you say pak Mr. Dove yete unka more fire
mate me twitwa bibia so ntentem na say US for ni de omutia no muti Mr. Dennis Okwampa enye nkwala asem na ko mo show said ya ye kan no o de ni yidi na wo pe nti ye besre asefo no say ko mo show de na omu ko mo show ba wa boy kura no mu nsuru o muti ba oni mbeka say o didi atem no because me di wa wasi abo no mi hu kura na me mo ahye me nti ye besre o msa ne mane de omu twa so asra ne me menya me ye bo behind closed doors as the maximum 3 points nya bi kura nke nyina ko share park isuma Bonsa Zikmensa Munanko Motosa. For the first time, early go see Kuran, Mimi who be that. Is your body hands closed doors or no? I class of folk, yet to me I shall go courtesy as Zikmensa, put him as run my assessment to a Yako and Yakwadiana. Yes, I'm Coco Farina, now for your Brosco and a better. Na Mediama Bosis Paka, or Rolium no, so OGB Wanibi. Cobra Zebaya, Brofubi by and Sessica, Ebinino. Confirm what team no mo kwaje
okay yeah that's it yeah kwa nim ne hwe sit here what you say more fire na Mark lubricant oil Joy Daddy Bitters Mark lubricant oil Rock Genicure what you say Rock Genicure kwa kuyete unka more fire
Jeremy mo ani adwuma pa ni adwuma wo ye
more fire
ya pa say give him for me trans na mo de sa so chene ma house for every say when you see a main knife no a sa pepe na nka betimi asi we nyame na di nipa ho afofie enti sakaya dia o mo gi on sika so mo ntu sika si a nka supporters ne bobo boni so mo tu sika no ma sa ba yesa ne ma ni bio and the idea we no ma na so nipa me so me bo ma ba so mo de sa so chene ma
okay yeah that's it Razak experience man Mark lubricant oil Razak etu nka more fire. More fire. More fire. Ah! More fire. More fire.
What you was around? That's a the banner will fear not or what is it? Oh, Sukano Jai.
More fire.
Yamisha Ubajuma.
More fire.
Yakupon count. Make us a free Africa origin. Kojo. Oh, he said, the Biana can't have the folks support us at someone. And Kofobi in Tiasia, so it's a journalist across every Yachuma Sua, Mukasu Chenukan, and Bandanuka, Humuano, Musa attack journalists, oh, a BNU, shall not go Fumia, or Musa, Azaka to Muka. Referee, I did go, assistant referee, I did go, and go Santala, not Sabanki at TS Park, Mata, I GTV Sports Plus, oh, you go, or be assistant referee, assistant coach, assistant referee, and go Santala, I'm going to go pass the ball, no, Sabanki TS Park, and you go, not assistant referee, I'm on the flag, and you go, where we now can you referee, and some form with you, this will be anywhere, send you over who, and you're my four, of course, not money as I can. Seku komo sisi omo wie e sa ba bu journalist me dem see head of go omo I do touch committee omo touch ya ko touch
okay yeah that's it most reverend Mark lubricant oil most reverend to nka more fire most reverend to nka
hello
most reverend ye to nka more fire
yeah mini abema
akwa
yes mini abema me no kasa
ye to nka ka wasam ne nko more fire
yeah.
Okay, Idrisu, Yatunka, more fire.
Okay. Me that is near my power.
Idrisu Yatunka, more fire.
You has to support us now. My just not send round away in my. They go for and tell her Liverpool ball now. Go no buy no. Omuko protest here, but break there. The way House of Food protest in our country here. Now, House of Food program or more on this thing. But that's only.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Yemfa course in this year. Yemfa course in this year. I mean, now, what was Joy Daddy Bitters. More fire. Joy Daddy Bitters, Rock Jenikyo, Esesia Himfie, Oba mo himfie nye kama. Oba bia ma wa himfie no enye kama. Ah, na oba be na woye aduane ma be ma edie. Na fe be ma aduane wansan request say appeal for fans. Anya ne de. Oba ade ba kwa wo de ye oba ye de ya pa ne so oba no aduane na wo don sabe wo aduane cho no wandi. Enti oba de ma wa himfie nye kama. Be ma ba e so san request biom say akuya adwoa ya ama waduane a medi na anu yi de aduane no de dodo mesa di biom ubedi di biom o ti ase Alomo Silver kasapreko Alomo Silver eco smooth papa Mark lubricant oil fabigo o engine o car engine mu na wo de go car ni ma na ai den na ye wo jia
na let me say well na let me say well na let me say well na let me say well.
Most popular television sports show, Fire for Fire. Adum TV.
Na let me say well.
Well, Sampa 94.7 so and a Ghana for Masugusa. Awie baby a wo bia wo tie nka no eye fire for fire. Fire burn you more fire. Eye wo jia.
Na let me say well. Na let me say well. Na let me say well.
Hey Charlie, we're fire for fire. We usade no live. Abon.
Na let me say well.
Well, Sampa 94.7 so and a Ghana for Masugusa mutie na mra so ene awie baby a wo bia wo tie nka no eye fire for fire. Fire burn you more fire. Eye wo jia.
Na let me say well. Na let me say well.
Hey Charlie, we're fire for fire. We usade no live. Abon.
Na let me say well.
Well, Sampa 94.7 yeah. Interesting. What I say? I never be very interesting. Where they Nana Techi Bitters. What did my mama Nana Techi? Any. They are some papa. And sound no ma. And Mawa Modin. What me did. And yes, I would did keke. Bema bia obenom sa Nana Techi Bitters we are. Ubeti fufu, ubedi banku. But eso santimididi. Na side die no e important. Oba ye aduane ama oba do nsa wo mu sa. Wendi. Oba bia pese oye aduane wi a, udi wi a na watafrim. Tafre chance nim. Tafre chance nim na wo se aduane na udi ye no e ye wo de. Unom Nana Techi Bitters. Go and face the woman. The woman will see the power in you. Power a woman. Young boys aba. Untimi nyatuma. Mama mana from wedi. Legon guess na from wedi. What you say? Okay. Eti yakuya dim na mamina abujafuasi Vitamilk Kofa Heba. Now unim say Vodafone Unity match ne baso. Vodafone Unity match no a big match by all standard. Now they ba kwa me say Vodafone for asumna ye de World 11 for Ghana bishia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Krobie Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Hwe Kotoko Africa Club of the Century. Womo aji Africa. Omako Africa Cup Finals makumako 9. Kotoko is the Africa Club of the Century. Omako and then the boy friend no. Champions League no. Omako Finals makumako 7. You don't learn history. And at the end of the Confederation Cup, you know your boy and say, "Mammy, dear, my 4 ako adu one is no." And also Kotoko finals 2. And do the Confederations Cup, no? Any Champions League in the Boma. Kotoko finals Makuma 9. One of the biggest achievements in African football. That is Kumasi Asante Kotoko for you. And your money, World 11 air ball Baba Yara on the 8th of June. On the 8th of June. Omu we are. As someone jump Captain Blasters. Now, womu any World 11 yabo. A big historic event. Vodafone Unity match. Hey, afi yebe twa ba wie am bia fine. The peace ambassador Stephen Tornado Apia. Stephen, baby will be anopay wie. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon to you, Stephen Apia. And good afternoon to you, Chief Larry Opare Otu, Chief Executive Officer of Primivar Media. Vodafone Unity match. Alaji Makusa. More fire. Bibi Aboko.
Benedict, Major so.
What about Benedict? What would you Benedict?
And you'll be any
Benedict near your mom in your school. Rapid Preparatory School.
Yeah.
Udu Sunyania. Sunyani. So they will be.
Yeah, Sunyani.
Rapid.
Yeah.
Preparatory School.
Okay.
Saturday is so preparatory school. Preparatory school. Oh, when it's called for preparatory. So I say preparatory school. No one can you say to for. Okay. Now you can him. Share. Media madin kunim. Na oka se obeka se media mantimi
enin kunim
nsem wa sem bia obeka. Omo din kunim ti asem no beka na se wonka. Weka se na wonka.
Kojo me da se. Mama ncha obi mu. Media mo
Anana e fire na odi
go. No, in the business me ade a me mpene se me twam kontompu.
Okay.
Atu nipa so. Ade a eni wono ye se e wo ho. Me twam kontompu to me so a I say me wu no. Ade a me mpedo no. Nti me mpese me de bi ba ye obi. Na ye ka ne se media mafo omuti ayeye ye da omu nyina ase se omu share omu sapom nsuo. Omutimi yiri omu ho e share 2-0 e qualify. And me say omutimi sha I will reserve my comment.
So until why reserve some comments no.
Nti ye nyina ye mompa ye ba bia omodu no. Omo ye support omo sa ankopim so mede on beje cap
more fire
afa kura na duru agro no
more fire
yesere omo
more fire
ye ni omo ni mmode mo aye nyina ye bo omo
more fire
omo ni ba bia omo free
more fire
now only Frankie Canha
more fire
from Tunisia even omo na team against Libyan club no omo ko bo no Tunis because of nyoma e koso Libya ananya sa
more fire
omo free omo ko Sudan
yeah
ananya sa omo free Sudan South Africa
more fire
e na omo buy
more fire
what you say score line ya ACC ni ntema aye koso
more fire
what you say allegations upon allegations
I ban yadinya
what you say
more fire
omo tima bo modin ama omo prove ni akoso no nyina wrong
more fire
sana me meka no na ya tete ni ne yehu say etisa say entisa say media ma modin qualify na munhye Ghana ni monyam na munhye mu ni monyam na munhye mu club na ni monyam kuro no nyina ni monyam na yehu say South Africa ni bo bosi
more fire
Ghana ni bo bosi South Africa
na senye bibi na ba
na ye bo boy ni South Africa
Sundowns
Mamelodi Sundowns. Okay, your team are equal relegation. Bet Marco J champion. Bet Marco J League South Africa.
First division Olympics.
Oh Ghana, me na me catch up.
First division Olympics.
Me na me catch up. Team are equal relegation wa Ghana. Wa South Africa Obe J League.
More fire.
Ananya sa. Je bia agua bia man for kasa friends English league is the best league. Enya no kre. Kenra na see here. Almighty Liverpool.
Spain for no
against Savo. Me wa. Ye na see here.
Just say what chese board on him ball.
What chese on him ball. Spain say omo je cap e Europe nyina
more fire
Europe dey omaje Champions League dey ye pe o ma san age because two clubs from your friends in Spain and able
more fire
iti na kan minti mediama o ma chese ampa ne e course won na ye nyina ye tete ye ka no enye no kre say na kre na o ma sesa no
o ma just o ma ye dey so mo ye
o ma ye ni es Ghana for pe ne da Ghana for kumam
more fire
ya ye di o ma tie support o mo no o ma ye ne ye pe afa na do group stage more fire minim say baby aduru dia minim say Ghana ban on fa na hunhwem
more fire
because more ye nyese bia ye jam
asem we say na me Frankie kan
yes
asem a yes ye kan no
well I hope say your friends minister no
aban no
minister
deputy minister no ko ho no de odin sapan na ko ye
that be minim say Nina Ntevandapoi Nina Ntevandapoi we nkwade obe hu adwuma you was a journalist still crabbing into one near koso
no be a waba what tibodo so etimi ntua
me say Nina Ntevandapoi be ma ya bo me diama obema aban abo me diama
ti aban be bo me diama
abo e be say hwene o ka $300,000 $100,000.
Yeah, nyam na meka yo.
You see Moses Parker say we book $300,000
Just to qualify
6
to
matches.
the money zone, 6 matches, home and away. Libya, Tunisia, Sudan.
100,000.
Africa.
Me pese Ghana for $100,000. A 3.8 billion old Ghana cedis.
There's a 380,000 Ghana cedis.
Fine.
But what $380,000.
$80,000.
And me pese me catch you say, Oko Tunisia bar. Expenses be do.
And easy. Enye afi kura na edu sika no sikasem ye ka money zone nye sika bia na
More
ka for
fire,
dem o
more fire.
ka for mo matwe
Okay, my main information qualifying to the money zone.
Yeah.
Team BI benya $150,000. Ghana FA benya $15,000, 10% of that amount. More fire.
hwa asem a waka
More fire.
nti na chese de na team no nya
More fire.
de mfaso na wonya
More
fi
fire.
nti esese Ghana ban ebua
It's not buying the boy.
because the only club say one eti animo
More fire.
Champions League dey enka ho
More fire.
confederation
Abina to na said JJ man ah de ade so ye de
oh yeah
boa.
bi amban no nhyeda moaye
Because stadium
Dabi,
here we see
one
here on hweso ye
na bi
say
wo mo but say no me
more
say me jeje ne now
more fire.
ye hwe
More fire.
mediama de na o ya fa ho
More fire.
aban betimi asesa na adwena memoa ba say ba bi adwena du no Ghana fo nyina say ye memoa
But ye man
ye ni kwa say o twa kra me katra no
ye man na tachi for no ko boa o na tachi. Na tachi.
ene de to wadwuma so
More.
go show
We say no comment I say no comment.
okay no comment
More fire.
ene trust go show timi wa me feel
More fire.
okay no ma bi say ko wa for mu dia na mutumi say no wani age
Na the media mafo no. Media mafo no.
nitie
Eka $300,000. Edu visa Ghana ban nia said say so boa clubs na kwa Africa na.
me say asese wo boa ye mo mu ntina ma ye
Anasa GFA no.
me say sky anyone yes ahwe TP Mazembe
More.
nye Ghanaian players na obeso
More.
ye go be 5 Ghanaian players
Yes.
hwani agye na no goals bi a o hyehyɛ
$15,000 a month.
what you say say omuso aba confederation
More fire.
wouldn't say TP Mazembe aba
So wait me
confederation
share media ma.
it could happen
More fire.
ebetime see
More fire.
enti no esese Ghana ban boa because is kasem
More fire.
players ni dey ye wo ben skin ni wa motivation no he
More fire.
eni wo
More fire.
enti ye mu aban ye sere no wo mu media ma because Moses Parker onu ko ntimi mfa
More fire.
wa na from the hwe wo qualify ko money zone hwe ska o ka
And there na buying person this cabbage sports
minim say I hope say minim say the odi be chin so wo fan chem ka wo fan chem
That's what na no
you say politicians
Well,
there
ministers
sometimes I
ba.
don't care
Omu discount.
so politicians no there omo be ba kasa
Wouldn't say-
omo ka so omo nya mistake
And Makosa
omo
Messi.
ka omo kan ade na opipa mu a
Yeah.
anase ni tim ka o ka I say why we no baba no but when implementing na a problem
Sika bia ba. Ministry of Sika bia ba. Ministry of Youth and Sports. A corporate body bi na de ma wo mo. Na sika no emu odu millions of dollars.
yeah
Na investigation no. Na makosi si nyema makosi si ajapade si wiram ama challenge I say jailing nipa okroma. We must jail people. People must go to jail.
problem a Ghana ye facing nyina ne say
No one just go for his Ghana limited.
say no say una minimum na wo diska na me na metimi ama wako prisoner ana se me fa bra kwan so ama wako prisoner na ma fa ne say mo show kra me ne
More
fa
fire.
fa ntim ma me moa no
More fire.
na wo na sabi
Wo de fa me
wo
kotum.
fa bi e frefre
Mamra
na
ne
ye
nya
ha
dwuma.
gen ye mamra ne nya dwuma nti de nyina ye bre ye mamra nya dwuma mo show ye maye nyina
More
ye
fire.
mamra anya dwuma
More fire.
nti de nyina ye bre
More fire.
mama nti wo de mama excuse na me fa second en ko house of folk
More fire.
Accra House of Folk.
More fire.
Wouldn't say coach no, almost sabotage coach no.
More fire.
Coach no me on my favorite.
Okay.
Wo ban nyina me criticize me.
So that you utwem on the hotel.
Me say me oh say coach no me na. Me pe coach no, but wo ba me prove Ghana for nyina wrong.
More fire.
Nye yenim say won timi nya no wo ye.
More fire.
Bisa the only coach one lose away match.
One lose away match.
One lose away match.
No, you're champion coach.
Why you champion why you good? Inti Accra House of Folk wo nya say wo mu ade wo nya hwe. Wo deliver support coach no mo djuma.
More fire.
But you so want any partners in Africa tuntum ani bre na dia be say oh we dey nya ya obede
Oh yeah, they said the Duncan Koya Makalo says so.
me say ani bre yi haye ani
More
bre
fire.
Accra Folk fan ye
More
nyina obi an support coach
More fire.
no want me league
More
has the league at
More fire.
ananye che almost 8 years
8, 7, 8
at the
years.
end time club
More
like
fire.
Accra Folk
More fire. Ocean for into Makosa has in J League, you know. What you say? Nana Techi Betes.
hey
Nana Techi Betes. Onoma, Emma Obema Muyedin. Tiriu, Emma Obema, Bema now the your by Shema. Emma Muyedin. It would me sure, but na Bema who from? na be ma wo fro oba wo fro oba na wutimi fro oba ni eti no na tachi bites na timi fro oba na fro no man nsa hu sepe no sa small guys ya bay we mu small guys no wo fa na tachi amfeshi na oba ka say ndi gidigidi ya wo yi nyina anti eno ani bo fire
Mark lubricant asana
eti Mark lubricant kill it mosquito coil joy daddy bites ni nyina akeka ho ya wie Vitamilk aduane ankasa pure joy taxi sonko na aseme dawo ni se Vodafone Unity match no so ba so me dey kwadwo mensa mo shosho GH kwadwo Ghana fo nyina kwadwo ai na wie me dam ase se mo kan me ho na ye de dwumade na de brɛ mo wo gia
Boom, now let me hear you say, well.